Hello guys, welcome po ulit sa aking channel na Learn Math. Okay, so we have here guys another examples of percentage, base, and rate. Okay, so you can post this video guys para matry nyo ring sagutin itong mga problem na to. Okay, let's go. So number 1, what is 20% of 80? Okay, so ang una natin gagawin guys is to identify kung ano yung knowns and unknowns. Okay, so sa example number 1 is what is 20% is our rate. Okay? What is the 20% of 80? So 80, gaya nga ng sabi ko nung last topic natin, after nung off, yun yung base natin. Okay? Ito yung base natin. And what? So before ng is yun yung percentage natin. Okay? So ang hinahanap natin dito is yung percentage. So again, ano yung formula ng percentage? So percentage is equal to base times rate. Okay? So, ang base natin is 80 times 20%, or yung 20% natin is, pag convert na natin sa decimal, is times 0.20. Okay? So, 80 times 0.20 is 16. Okay? So, 16 is 20% of 80. Okay? So, ganun lang siya guys. So, proceed tayo sa number 2. So, 320 is what percent of 800? Wait lang guys. Again, identify natin kung ano yung given and kung ano yung hinanap natin. No? Again, sabi ko nga, before ng is, yun yung percentage natin. So, ito yung percentage natin is what percent. So, hinahanap natin yung rate. Okay? So, rate ang hinahanap natin dito. And of 800 is ito yung base natin. Again, to find the rate, ang formula natin is rate is equal to percentage over base. Okay, is equal to percentage is 320 over 800. Okay, so 320 over 800 is 0.4 is equal to 0.4, or in percent times 100 lang natin guys is 40%. Okay, so ang rate dito is 40%. So 320 is 40% of 800. Okay, so ganun lang siya. So example number 3, 16 is 20% of what number? So again, after ng is nga is the percentage. So since naka-percent na to, ito yung rate. And of what number? So ito yung base natin, yung hinahanap natin. Again, to find the base, ang formula natin is base is equal to percentage over rate. Okay? So, percentage is 16 over 20%, or 20%, pag convert na natin sa decimal is 0.20. Okay? So, 16 divided by 0.20 is 80. Okay? So, ang sagot natin dito is 80. So, 16 is 20% of 80. Okay? So, ganun lang siya guys pag solve natin ng percentage, base, and rate. So, halos lahat ng problem is same lang din naman. So, ayun. Sana may natutunan kayo. And thank you and enjoy.